Hello and welcome to the new Supplier Insights and Component Forecast Analytics brought to you by IHS Markit. This brief demonstration will show you the key enhancements that we have brought to you with the latest release. Let's first look at the enhancements brought to Component Forecast Analytics, or CFA, starting with Analytics. Based upon feedback, we have redesigned the user interface, not only to take into account the fact of IHS and Markit merging and the new branding, but really to give you access to the tools you need to be even more efficient in your analysis. We always recommend using the highest screen resolution available to you. However, we are fully aware that a number of users will use a laptop screen. To make the most of this, we have now made the analytics interface much more dynamic. This means that you can actually resize the analytics window. You can make the analytics full screen, or you can minimize certain parts of the screen so that you can see the analytic even more clearly. Depending on your subscription level, you now have access to even more powerful analytics. These new analytics are multidimensional and give you even greater insight and visibility to assist you in the decisions you make which drive your business. The analytics engine has been entirely rebuilt. This has been done so that you can now analyze across multiple components and an entire market. At the bottom of the screen on the toolbar, you will find a volume value percentage toggle. Where applicable, will let you seamlessly switch between volume and value and percentage, giving even more depth to your analysis for your component selections. On the right-hand side of the analytics window, you will notice descriptions for each analytic, but also a great new feature which displays commentary where relevant based upon your selections for your analysis. These commentaries are fully dynamic and change based upon the components you select. These commentaries are also available when you export to PowerPoint using the My Slide Deck feature. Let's now turn our attention to CFA Query Tool. You will notice straight away that this also has a brand new user interface and navigation, as well as the rebranding with IHS Markit. The field chooser is now embedded on the left-hand side, and you can search through all of the fields available to you, rapidly helping you to identify the fields of interest. You can also pick multiple components, just like in Analytics. You can customize the order of the fields you want by simply clicking and dragging, or selecting and deselecting fields as you choose. The reordering of these fields will be applied when you preview data and or export to Excel. You now have the possibility to filter on any of the field values whilst you are designing your query. This ensures that when you preview or export data, you are only previewing and exporting relevant content, therefore saving you much more time. There is a brand new preview window. This preview lets you see the entire forecast that you have selected and queried. You can now even filter data directly within your preview, as you may be used to in the likes of Microsoft Excel. The preview also aggregates the data to the level that you have selected. For example, if you have selected for one component just the vehicle region and a supplier, this will then aggregate the data and show you it on the preview, and of course you always have the ability to export to Excel. Within Supplier Insight, the key enhancements surround the user interface and the rebranding. We have introduced relevant images across the entire site for each asset type. The navigation has been adjusted to be even more logical, with the service domains along the left-hand side. We've improved the search capabilities for your feed and adjusted the reports and profile assets to share a common user interface. We really do hope that you find these enhancements beneficial and you enjoy using our new platforms. There are user guides available located here in the document library for both CFA and for Supplier Insight. Should you have any questions regarding the platform itself, please feel free to contact customercare@ihsmarkit.com. Should your query be more around your subscription level, then please feel free to reach out to your account manager or automotive@ihsmarkit.com.